Akirekereria itua riri mucirithania munene igoti-ini ria Kiambu Stella Atambo augite atatu aya maguthii na mbere kuhingirwo rumande niguo kuhe mweke mwena wa thitango kurikia uthuthuria o hamwe na kurigiriria atatu aya guthararia mihango ya uthuthuria.
The upshot of all the above observations is that the prosecution is granted an extension of a further 9 working days to complete investigations. During this period, the 3 respondents will be remanded at Muthaiga Police Station, mentioned on the 27th of February 2019 for an update on the same.
Oho Atambo ni athite mwena wa thitango gutafania uthuthuria wigie kuhahamwo kwa mwikuirwo mwe Judy Wangui kuria wakiri wake niwe Cliff Ombeta augite ati ni akoretwo agitungio bara nditu ni maafitha ceceni ya Juja o hamwe na gwikirwo firifiri ciiga-ini ciake cia thiri niguo gwitikira thitango iyo imugumeire.
Allegations of torture of the second respondent. It is submitted by Learned Counsel Mr. Ombeta for the second respondent that she has been tortured while in custody and that this has been reported to the OCS Juja Police Station on the 8th of February 2019. The prosecution is unaware of this, going by their submissions, and they are agreeable to investigations being done and a report being filed before this court. I order as much that investigations be carried out into these allegations and a report be filed in this court by the prosecution at the next court appearance.
Kahinda-ini o kau mucirithania uyu ni ateaniirie ihoya ria kurekererio kwa ngari cia atatu aya iria ihingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Juja kuona ati ni irahuthika ta uira cira-ini uyu.
The release of the 2 vehicles that belong to the first respondent and to the second respondent. Upon submissions for such release, the prosecution made a response to the effect that these are intended core exhibits in the charges to be preferred. There was also a mention of an inventory of the items that were carried away from the first respondent's home during investigations. Substantive applications or a substantive application for release of the subject motor vehicles be filed before the court so that the prosecution is given a chance to respond appropriately for the court to make an informed decision on the same or give directions accordingly.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria utafanitio wonanitie ati Wambui oragirwo na njira ya kuringwo maita 9 na thaburia thutha wa ndugamano na Wangui iguru rigie mbica ya kori iria yakoririe curitio nyumba-ini kwa Wangui na mwiri wake gucoka guteo mwena wa Muguga. Gukinyiria riu gutiri undu tanganja ekwirwo aya othe atatu maguthii na mbere gukorwo mahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Muthaiga metereirie kahinda ga thiku 9 niguo kuhe mwena wa thitango kahinda ga gwika uthuthuria niguo kumenya kana ni magakorwo makirekererio na bodi. Ngiribotera mohoro ma Njata TV nde igoti-ini ria Kiambu. Ritwa riakwa ni Mike Kamau.